Right, this is my slab saw, and this thing has been amazing. But, you know, like any kind of machinery, it is prone to things needing adjustments or things, you know, not working correctly. I would say 99% of the time this has just been an incredible saw. But I'm having a little bit of an issue with this quick release here when I'm done cutting, and a little bit of a problem with the travel on the sled. So this quick release is getting bound up. Right there, it's bound. So when it finishes cutting and I go to release it, kind of jams. And then the sled doesn't really want to travel as smoothly as I think it probably should. I got a call just a second ago from Highland Park calling me back about my machine. Right, so the simplest solution is often the best fix. And Marco suggested I use some lithium grease, so I use my 20-year-old tube of white lithium grease that I've had around forever because it takes forever to use a whole tube of this stuff. He says that they put some lithium grease on the rails where the sled is contacting it. So we'll just do a little dab-a-doo on both sides. And then just for fun, I'm gonna try just a little bit on this feed threading here. So I just wiped them both off real good to get all the crud and dirt and stuff off that was on there. All right, now let's bring it back here. And I'm gonna spread this up to the top. So, let's see. All right, that thing is gliding like butter. Let's see if we get a jam here. There you go. Folks, a little bit of maintenance goes a long way. And this thing seems to be working like a champ now. I mean, that's really the biggest reason I keep going back to Highland Park Lapidary. I mean, just you heard how quick and easy it was to get info to get this thing back up and running again. So thank you very much, Marco and Highland Park Lapidary, for helping me get this thing running a little bit smoother. I mean, just to be 100% transparent, I am an affiliate for Highland Park Lapidary. So if you'd like to save 10% on your entire order, just follow the link in my description or use code LearningRocks when you check out and you'll save 10%. And I'll get a minor kickback, and I really appreciate when you guys do that. It helps more than you know. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope you'll come back and watch another video soon. Thanks.